Good afternoon, Federico Ferrante here, President of Azimut Grande Americas, and I would like to welcome you to this 2019 Miami International Yacht Show aboard the Azimut Grande 30 meter. So we would like to actually show you the boat in as much details as you would like, and of course if you will have any further questions, you want any further information, please reach out to your closest MarineMax dealer. They will have all the covering that I might miss during this quick tour. So we start from this area. As you can see, this is a complete full beach area where you can have lounging, water toys and sport going on. There is a stainless steel custom shower here for when you come out of the water. This is all handmade in our shipyards in Viareggio, Italy. Polished steel, 316 stainless steel, custom made. And here you have a garage with a ceiling crane with 1,000 kilos capacity, so 2,000 pound capacity approximately for any kind of tender and water toy you want to store in the garage. Once the boat, of course, is going to cruise, the door closes, the transom will be nice, clean and flush, no tender hanging out, everything hidden in the garage, and you preserve the beauty of the line. And now follow me when we're going to explore the main deck. Here, an extremely spacious cockpit. As you can see, room to serve and have beautiful dinner, lunch al fresco with 10 to 12 people comfortably seated. You have a wet bar, beautiful custom marble top, and all the appliances that you would consider as a must in a cockpit of this magnitude. So ice makers, refrigerators. All the furniture is specifically selected by the MarineMax team and for their specific unit. So all you see on this boat is unique, custom made for this specific unit. I'd like to pay attention on the marble insert, stainless steel trim, and beautiful lacquer wood for a custom result table. The top here matches. Of course, you can't miss a TV in the cockpit. God forbid we miss the Sunday game when we're having our brunch or dinner. And so why don't we do the bow first, which is actually impressive on the Azimut 30 meter. So as you can see, sidewalks which are extremely spacious. Look at my body fits perfectly. I don't have to adjust or adapt. Safety always first, so beautiful sturdy handrail to keep the walk safe and sound. And here we have the window to the master cabin that we will see later on. So, but that gives you an idea of the magnitude of the window to the master cabin. And this is the bow area where you have a beautiful lounging C-shaped sofas with a beautiful comfortable coffee table for cocktails al fresco, a cigar smoking in the beautiful breeze. So nice time to relax in the bow area. And we can walk back on the port side, which is symmetrical. So again, very important, the boat features actually 2 side boarding gates to convenience of boarding for any docking conditions. So you have one more towards the bow, then you have another one more towards the middle midship. The side entrance door to the galley. So we'll see what this will provide to the boat later when we get in, but I would like you to notice that. And this door here in front of us, which is open, is the access to the engine room, which we're gonna close in order to go and experience the interior of the Azimut Grande 30 meter. So another Achilles Savagni design with the interior decor of soft goods done by our style department for this unique and custom version of this Azimut Grande 30 meter. So beautiful salon, every piece custom made for this unit. I would like you maybe to also feature the details. You see the beautiful pillows which match the same theme of the lacquer color of the trays on the furniture, which then are called back by these details of the Italian hand-stitched leather of these custom-made, beautiful boutique pieces of armchairs. We have a 55 inches TV which actually comes down electrically operated from the ceiling. So when you don't want to watch TV, the TV folds all the way up and disappears, and you have a beautiful unobstructed ceiling to floor view from that magnificent window on the starboard side. Of course, a yacht of this magnitude cannot be without a formal dining. Again, beautiful custom marble table. Dining for 8, comfortable. And this is another of the signature pieces of Akita Savagni, so a bean shape. So instead of putting, you know, a typical more traditional shape storage unit, this also involves some design and art into something which is of course functional. An interesting feature here is that we have two ways to separate actually. We are entering more the technical areas, so this is going to be galley crew quarters, but when the owners would like the most privacy, you know, they can close this door to separate completely the living spaces for the owners from the technical spaces. This is actually a very nice solution when we have big dinners with party. This is a perfect countertop, and when you don't need it, you just flip it up, it disappears, and here you have a beautiful little breakfast dinette. And we made it in a way where if the owners for some reason would like to grab a cup of coffee here and don't be bothered by the crew, you know, you can close this other door as we did with the other one, and this area will become now part of the salon dining and privatized. And let's take a quick look to the galley. Again, custom quartz countertop, so very durable, very resistant, no stains, and you know, unique look which goes with the decor motif of this boat, which is on the tone of grays. And down that stairs is the crew quarter, which offer accommodation for 6. Full-size refrigeration here, as well as of course dishwasher. There is an extra refrigerator here, so there is plenty of refrigeration on board. And this is the door we talked about before. So once I close this door, this becomes more the technical crew area. They can go out on the main deck and do whatever they need to do outside from this door without ever passing through the owner's dining or enjoying the salon. A very nice feature of the Azimut Grande 30 meter is actually what you're going to see from here. So you will notice that from the salon door, the main door, to all the way down to the master stateroom, which is on the main deck, this is a 5-cabin mega yacht, you have no steps, which is incredibly comfortable for the owner. You're going to walk into the salon and basically have a direct path without any obstruction, pass by the day head here to the master cabin without a single step. So we have a master on main deck, and as you can appreciate, the decor of this boat is so elegant, so nice. You know, you have the high gloss wood, 100% high gloss, just next to the matte finish, so you have something more warm and close to nature, just next to something extremely elegant and with the 100% gloss finish, and create that contrast. Plenty of storage throughout the entire boat. Each and every one of these cabinets is either hanging or shelves. You have very deep, big drawers here. There is another cabinet there. All those cabinets are storage. All these cabinets behind here, they're all storage. And this is actually a piece of art itself with 4 very large and short steps, so they're very comfortable at night, very light up. Every other step there is a step light, and then you walk into what is basically a marble display. So all custom countertop with inlay sinks. And look at this shower. It's just a magnificent piece of art. Look at the flooring. All of this is of course custom made, handmade, hand layer, hand cut for this Azimut Grande 30 meter. I don't think we want to invest too much time in there. Of course there is one. And we can now move amidship, where walk-in closet, I almost forgot to mention. So of course there's all that storage that I showed you before, and then we have a walk-in closet. So typically this would be her closet, and the other cabinets will be his. Look at the beautiful marble work also in the day head. All marbles are different. And while we are here, this is the centerpiece of the Azimut 30 meter, was on every magazine and was really the main design feature of the boat. The backlit onyx, so this is natural onyx, LED backlit, and has this ribbon effect of revolving around the boat to take you down to the main guest accommodation lobby. So again, on a 30-meter yacht, to have a lobby of this dimension, size, fit, and finish is actually pretty unique. You have, of course, a dedicated refrigerator for the night use of the guest. Beautiful storage here to accommodate all the sheets, linens, towels for the lower deck, so the crew has all the belongings of this area down here nicely and stored. And then you have a 2 VIP cabin which actually match each other. They're symmetrical. They're decorated differently, of course, but they are identical in shapes and features. They feature a vanity. TV is behind the mirror, so when you don't watch TV, the TV disappears, and when you watch it, it shows through the mirror, so very extremely elegant. Beautiful design pieces and touches which are custom selected for this unit. And we have storage under each bed, and then we have an extremely voluminous. I actually would like you to show you this because this cabinet is impressive as far as the size is concerned. Every lower deck guest cabin has an ensuite with custom marble work, both for the tops, flooring, and showers. So all here has been selected by Andrew Schneider, MarineMax Azimut Yacht's brand manager. So he's in charge of the decoration of all the Azimut which come to the Americas, and he works closely with our style department to create unique pieces just like this Azimut Grande 30 meter. So I will show you one VIP, the other, as I said, is symmetrical and identical, and I'll show you one of the guests. So keep in mind there is 2 and 2. So the guest cabin, very comfortable, very wide, roomy, single bed. So this is more maybe for young kids, and so that's why we call these two the guest cabin, and the other more aft one the VIP cabin. And same ensuite bathroom, so every cabin has an ensuite bathroom. Custom marble work, I want to be repetitive, TVs behind the mirror, so the motive is the same. And I think that now we should really go to the helm and then end on the flybridge. So trying to be as quick as possible, even though we can spend probably a week reviewing an Azimut 30 meter, I would like you to go through the entire boat. So this is really where everything happened. So very comprehensive helm. This specific unit is powered by MTU 16V2000, 2400 horsepower each. So we have a total of 4800 horsepower, moving the boat at 28, 29 knots wide open and 23, 24 cruising speed. State-of-the-art monitoring system which controls the entire boat. Very easy, intuitive. You know, all the features are selected. Is a touch screen, and going in through each page of the monitoring system, you control the boat. Of course, we have cameras on board. We can see there, so we don't even need to go into the engine room. If you take a look at this square right here, there is a rotating 360 degrees rotating cameras which can show you from here everything going on in the engine room. This is a boat which is designed for long cruising range, so a very comfortable Recaro, so the same company which supply all the top-end automotive industry. Very comfortable Recaro seat, and of course a comfortable couch, because you know when night cruising and there will be crew member on a watch and the boat is going on autopilot, of course they will be able to be a little bit more comfortable and relax while keeping always their eyes on the horizon. So here we have a walkway, very comfortable, wide, spacious, nice wide steps to the flybridge, where we have the exterior helm. So for maneuvering, perfectly positioned. I have my engine controls and my thruster on this side, so I can easily stick my head out during maneuvering on the starboard side and be able to control everything with one hand, with my left hand. So beautiful dinette next to the helm. So when the boat is cruising, people can sit here. You can have the captain driving from inside. The door is closed. You can use this seat for some guests and some others on this side, and it's a very cool lounging area where people can enjoy the cruising forward. And here we come to the party zone. So beautiful custom marble tops, countertop, full equipped, double refrigerator, ice maker, ton of storage there for beverage and food. Again, custom marble countertop, which on the exterior we selected all the same marble to match. Of course, TV behind this cover, which is swivel, very easy. This is all custom made. All the stainless steel that you see here is all custom made, custom weld, custom polished for this specific unit. This is not off the shelf material. And as I said, the TV swivel, so it can be watched either from the bar or from this beautiful dining table, which again follow the same motive of the one in the cockpit. So marble, stainless steel, lacquer wood. Beautiful stainless steel stools to wrap around the bar. Again, also these, keep in mind, every single stool, every single piece, these are all custom made from 316 stainless steel, electro polished for the unit. These tools, you can buy them in the store and just simply bolt them on the deck. Each single one of these tools is handmade for this unit. Same for all the handrails. All the stainless steel that you see on the exterior of the boat is all custom made specifically for each unit. While you are here, we have of course an electrically operated sunroof here, which can provide on a beautiful night with imagine stars and an incredible sky. You open it up and you can have an incredible view, and during the day when the sun is shining, you close it and you can enjoy the flybridge in the shade. If you want to extend your shade, of course, you have an awning, an aft awning with the touch of a remote control. This box, which now hide everything, opens up and open an automatic awning, which is actually connected to a wind sensor. So in case the wind will pick up, the awning will close and retract on its own before being damaged. And here you have a lounging sunbathing area, all custom selected exterior furniture, and this is the piece of the flybridge. This is really the American statement. So the grill station. So we have a Canyon triple grill as well as a Canyon hub on the starboard side. Of course, you can't miss another refrigerator and another ice maker in case those 3 units in the bar were not enough, and plenty of storage for all your utensils and rubs and barbecue details. I would like actually you to see the dimension, size and ergonomics of these stairs to come to the flybridge. Look how wide they are, and look at how all my safety points are perfect for any sea condition. I can safely lower the stairs and then go down off the boat. So I think actually we went through the entire yacht, and thank you for joining us. And again, if you have any question, if I missed anything, or if you want more information, please reach out to your MarineMax stores and they will have all the answer for you. Thank you.